No storms on the horizon for us this week or the end of the week into the weekend. It's just going to be pretty warm, and you got a little bit of a severe weather chance, or excuse me, a weather alert day tomorrow.
Right, and it's because of the high winds.
Yes.
And Matt, it's high winds that are not associated with thunderstorms.
Yeah.
So it's going to be interesting because the skies are going to be blue.
Yeah.
But we're going to be dealing with really high winds, which is why we do have a WFAA weather alert day. For Friday, it's in place from 7 in the morning to 7 in the evening. Specifically, a few locations can see wind gusts up to 65 miles per hour. Not everyone sees that high of a wind gust, but it'll be certainly impactful enough to cause critical to extreme fire danger and bringing in blowing dust from West Texas. Well, you want to make sure to avoid any outdoor burning or activities that lead to sparks. You also need to make sure you're using caution when driving, especially if you drive a tall car, like say an RV. Secure any loose outdoor items and download the WFAA app for any updates on these alerts. The first alert I'm going to tell you about is the fire weather watch. A fire weather watch could be upgraded to a red flag warning. That's the red that you see there. Some locations in Oklahoma and northwest of here do have a red flag warning in place. This has to do with the low humidity, the high wind gusts, and temperatures that are in the 80s. This means that fires can not only start, but also spread quickly. This does not mean that there are any active fires out there. Our fire danger forecast for Friday shows extreme levels for areas including Denton, Wise County, Parker County to the northwest. That's where the winds are going to be the highest. But critical fire danger exists for areas of the Metroplex and really the rest of North Texas. Again, this is for high wind gusts, anywhere from 50 to up to 65 miles per hour, low humidity, and dry, dormant vegetation. Keep in mind, we're just now coming out of our winter months when a lot of our grasses are dormant. I know my lawn's really dry, so yours likely is too. In addition to that, we do have a high wind watch. This includes DFW. It includes a big portion of North Texas for winds sustained 25 to 40 miles per hour. But again, wind gusts that could get up to 65. And here's just a glance of what the winds are doing as we approach midday on your Friday. You see 50, 55 mile per hour wind gusts, and that eventually does overtake the I-35 corridor counties, including Tarrant and Dallas County. We see the winds really picking up in the mid-afternoon, and then they'll eventually settle back down late in the day on Friday. I do think Saturday will still be breezy, but I don't think it'll be quite as windy. Dallas Baptist University right now showing the calm winds, temperature of 72 degrees. Today, we do make it to about 87 degrees. It happens between 4 and 5 in the afternoon. I think you'll see more cloud cover as the day goes on as well, but we'll stay dry today. 88 the high in Fort Worth, 87 in Dallas. Temperatures are going to be close to 20 degrees above what's considered normal for this time of the year. Tomorrow, a high of 81, and then the 70s on Saturday and on Sunday. Tomorrow, when it's windy, completely dry. But tomorrow night into Saturday morning, I do think that a few locations could see some scattered showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm to the southeast of DFW. Otherwise, we are looking dry. We're looking clear for St. Patrick's Day weekend. That's why I have that 10% chance of rain coverage in on Saturday. Again, most of us stay dry. Highs in the 70s over the weekend, 80s to kick off early next week. We'll be back.